So I have this TV unit which I built a few years ago. Now the plan is to put some LED strips around the surround so that it gives a good ambience while watching TV. So I got this 5-meter long LED strip light off Amazon, and it comes neatly packaged and all that, and it's got a power adapter on it. There are a few useful instructions on the rear of the packaging material as well. To fix this, you just need to make sure that you pull in the power socket of the LED strips into the power adapter. And to stick this onto the wall, you just peel off the backing of the 3mm tape. Now this is a double-sided tape, which most of you would know what it is, but in the interest of just this video, I'm just going to do a close-up over here. So now to just make sure that the overhang on the left side is the same as that on the right side, I'm just going to loosely place it over here. And once it's in position, I'm just going to use my quick release clamps to hold that in place. And now is a good time to actually just test it on a power socket and see whether it really works or not.
Alexa, shut up.
Yeah, sometimes Alexa can really get on your nerves. So here I'm just going to pull back the adhesive tape and I'm going to stick it back on the panel. And while sticking it, I'm going to make sure that the LEDs face onto the wall so that it gives a good reflection back. Once it's all done, I need to drill a hole over there, which is about 12 mm in my case, and I'm going to take the power socket into the power adapter, which you see over here. Since the hole is really tight, I'm going to just slot in a rod to fish the power adapter back out. So I'm just using a painter's tape to just stick the power adapter back onto this cable. And then I just pull it out from the other side. So here I'm just making space for my power adapter, and then this is when I bought this TP-Link Casa product, which is a Wi-Fi enabled switch. You can use Amazon Alexa to switch it on, switch it off, and you can program schedules and all that. There are tons of resources on the internet on how you can use it, and there are videos on YouTube as well. Alexa, turn on the TV lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the TV lights.
Okay.